What up, y'all? It's your boy Jay Cruz, known as the AUDIOZONE. Always, first of all, I want to thank you guys for watching. Always thank you guys for the support. Don't forget to share, like, and subscribe on the channel, man. We're on our way to 20K. Thanks to you guys. Help us get there, man. Share and like these videos. Get them out to your friends, man. And also comment on the things that you need us to change to make this better for you guys, man. Can we do it for y'all? But today I'm on my way to work, man. I've been going to the gym now since maybe it's gonna be 5 days tomorrow or 7 days tomorrow, actually a week. And I feel good, man. You know what I'm saying? I feel good, but it's mind, body, and soul, trying to organize everything, get myself back together again from a hard year that I had last year with my wifey being down and everything we went through last year. But we're on the other side of the mountain right now, y'all. So we're just working hard and making the dream work. Going out to shop. Somebody just opened a shop, probably Josh. But I'm on my way to work to show you what's going on. Hold on, y'all. Alright, so hopefully today we get the Viper out the door. I got my turbo rebuilt. They already put it on the vehicle, so we should be good on that one. Getting her back. That's the shop alarm. I know everybody what they're doing and what they're clocking in at. But long story short, guys, the Viper should be out today. We're working a couple other projects in the shop. We got the red Corvette going with the ZR1 front end conversion and some splitters on the side. We have a big reveal that we're going to be hopefully having very soon for the car from Jason Delay. We have a Go Scat coming out. We have another Charger wide body coming out. We have some one-off wheels on 50th anniversary HELLCAT wheels going on another vehicle. That should be any day now and get that one out the door. We got a couple projects in the shop, y'all, and I'm just bringing y'all the the ins and outs of the day, man. So I've changed the vlog from just doing a project car to doing just a day of work of what happens in a day, so y'all can get a feel for the shop. Don't forget to check us out on 930 North Beltline Road in Irving, Texas, man. Our phone number is 972-513-0111. You can call or text us, and we will get back to you as soon as possible and get you guys situated. We have been busy, man. Glory be to God, man, for truthfully giving us the workload that we have and what we're accomplishing. We got Real's track hawk in the shop too. We'll be doing a spark plug swap on that today. He got it from misfire. Hopefully that resolves the problem. Shout out to Team HELLCAT for the tuning and everything they do in these cars, man, for us. But little by little, we're building an empire of being able to do performance. We do wraps. We do, of course, suspension, lift or drop kits. We do the audio, of course. We do wide body customizations, paint and body, window tint. We actually have a couple promotions right now. So if y'all watching and y'all in the area, man, we have the lifetime tints on promo for $140, normally $199. The ceramic film, which is amazing. If y'all don't know about that, y'all need to get onto that, especially with this Texas heat. It takes out over 80 to 90% of the heat from the car, man. So we have a promo on that. It's normally $269. We got that for $199. So check us out for those deals. Our website, we're building a new website for you guys, so you guys can actually shop online and buy everything you need online. We'll ship it out to you guys and get everything moving, y'all. So I'm on my way to the shop right now. I got my boy gonna be Mr. King. Let me show you him. King, you want to say hi to the camera? No, he's on relax mode. But we're on our way to the shop right now to get things going for the day, y'all. So stay tuned, and we should kind of show you what's going on today in AUDIOZONE. Stay tuned, y'all. All right, Cruz, I'm going to show you what's going on. We got the turbo back in, as you can tell here. Turbo rebuilt. I'm in the process of putting this filter on. And I'm glad we came down here, man. My serpentine belt was doing really bad. As y'all can tell here, it was eating out everywhere. So now we're going to change that belt at the same time and get this car situated. Meanwhile, that's going on. We have this truck coming in for a train hole repair. Josh went to go find some fittings on that. This belongs to Diamond, man. The Diamond Life on YouTube. She's having a problem with her car, electrical short. So we're trying to see if we can figure this out for her and help her out with that one. We also got RELLTOREAL's car that's here, because we're gonna be doing a spark plug swap and hopefully to take care of the little misfire he has. But you know what I'm saying, the day's just rolling, man, and we're just handling our business here, so it is what it is. But now that we're here, let's just go put him on camera, because he's not shy on the camera. Mr. RELLTOREAL up in the building. No, you definitely ain't shy in the building.
Here talking about the price of 300. I might have to build a scatpack swap one and do a scatpack swap.
I tell you, yeah, that'd be nice.
Yeah.
I mean, it took a lot of things that are different, y'all, but long story short, because the day in AUDIOZONE, so we're rolling, y'all. Stay tuned. Josh had to go make some inventions on this thing here to be able to get this to work for the compressor, because it's a different mount. So I'll show y'all what we're talking about. We got a new compressor, but the fitting side is different. So because it's different, we had to get an invention that Josh had to make. You can tell right there, to make it work, and we should hopefully have that one out the door shortly. On top of that, yes sir.
I don't know where Isaac got this, but this is the best damn crescent wrench I've ever messed
Bro,
with.
it's for that's mine.
Oh, where'd you get this at? I need
Amazon.
one. I gotta get one.
It's good for A&L fittings, all of them. It works great for all that. But let me show you what's going on. Cause we got a vet that came in. We're gonna do a facelift on this one, so we have to remove the bumper. We'll be installing new headlights, new custom fog lights on it, and get that looking a little bit different. Got a whole different feel. I'm not gonna show you all the lights, even though they're right there, but I'll show you when this one's done, what it looks like if we get this one going in. It's also going for rear window tint and also a cat delete. So this is gonna be a project that's in progress right now. Adolfo's knocking this one out, and we should hopefully see this one out shortly. But it's just a day here in the shop, and of course my baby, which is the one I really need to get out because I need it off the bay. Not that I want it out, but I need it out because we need to get it out the bay. It's holding up my bay, and that's holding up my money. So sometimes pleasures cost you money, y'all. Stay tuned. All right, cruise. So at this point in time, we have been rolling and rolling, and I'm rolling. Papers in the hand, ready to roll. What I've done so far today, hold on. Wifey calling me. Yeah, baby.
That's an addition, right? So
Addition, yeah, diagnosis, yes. So right now what I'm doing here in the shop is I actually lowered the spoiler on my Viper. You can tell. I brought it down. To me it was too high. I brought it down about 1.5 inches, and I like it there a lot. It looks aggressive, but look more clean. Car's ready to go, waiting for these parts to come in so I can get it together. But this is another build, guys. We got a Cracker 300 going for a full audio build. We're doing a 4-channel amp, Nemesis 1600 by 1, front door speakers, rear door speakers, 2 subs in the rear, Nemesis also, 3K amplifier, done by the master himself, Mr. Jaws Cruel. He is on the roll on this car to get this car out of here as soon as possible, so they're rolling on that. This one's here today for security system. We got the security slash wide body king, Adolfo right there. Look at him in the building, y'all, getting his tech on. Boom, this is going with a Viper with a kill switch, GPS tracker, and this one should be ready to go too, y'all. So we're actually definitely rolling and getting all this going. Ooh, bad lens. Getting this rolling, y'all, so stay tuned. Here, myself, this truck came in today because it had an issue with the steps not working. So I had to personally come and check her out. But I believe I got this bad boy rolling again. So I am going to do a hardwire, eliminate the ODB plug on this one that comes on it. You see the steps are not working. I'm gonna eliminate this ODB plug that they come with, and I'm actually gonna hardwire it myself, so it should be a hardwire build and not have to worry about these problems happening again. And then on top of that, we got the RELLTOREAL truck that you see Isaac working on. Misfire's gone. He should be good to go. I'm gonna call him and pick up that bad boy in a few seconds, y'all. So just kind of flowing through the day. It's a lot of work, thank God for that. But boy, I'll tell you one thing, we've been slammed, working our booties off, trying to get the cars out for these customers and make everybody happy. But guys, it gets dramatic, and the Texas heat is not helping. But we're gonna do what we do, stay tuned. All right, cruise, because at this point in time, we have the Cracker 300 finished. I got the customer, in fact, let me go to the passenger seat. Let me put some bump in here and show his reaction when he gets his car done, what he thinks about this build, all right? So now that we're here inside the car, get your car and connect bad and bougie for me. Alright, let's pair the Bluetooth. I'll be right back. Alright, but we got the phone situated. Now let's go to get some of this outside. We're in the bay, but this is you have to get a reaction from what's going on. Start pairing procedure your phone. You connected already? Tell him he needs an Android. You delete the never does it. Yeah, because he paired to the phone. Do you have it previously installed here?
I already done.
Okay. We cancel that. Watch. See how fast. So, as you know, Bad and Bougie is a demo. I'll blank it out so y'all don't get copyrighted. Let me see where my shit is at. Hold on. All right, guys, so we got done. I had to get the demo, but I took it off because of copyrights. What does the customer have to say about his build?
Man, definitely better than what I came with. Y'all should come forward with AUDIOZONE. He's gonna get y'all right, trust me.
You happy?
Yeah, definitely.
Coming back?
Definitely.
That's my fan right there, man. Well, I'm about to release them out, y'all. We're getting out the Chevy truck too, but I want to thank you guys for the support, man. We got this one signed and delivered. Can't let y'all hear because unfortunately we get copyrighted from YouTube, but stay tuned as we keep on doing more builds and y'all see what you need to do. All right, cruise crew, so now I'm gonna show you the Corvette. We did the switch out from Morimoto, headlights and fog lights conversion kit for this vet. I'm gonna show it to you in the front now. I'm gonna introduce you to the customer who owns it. What's your name for the camera today, man? Arbad. You have Instagram?
No.
No? Well, you gotta get on Instagram, man, because people know who you are. You gotta keep it social, y'all. But right now, the vet's coming here. I'm gonna show you what it looks like with the new DLR kits and headlights and stuff from Morimoto. A beautiful damn car. Look at it, y'all. Gorgeous car. Timeless piece. Timeless. Timeless. Turn on the fog lights, Josh. Y'all can get an idea what that looks like. Projector headlights. Bottom fog lights. Ooh, that's my favorite look right there. Oh yeah, I love that right there. I love that. You liking it? Yeah. It's a whole different facelift on the vet, man, but she's out the door. She's getting ready to go too, y'all. And I will be back with y'all because the Viper's coming out today too, y'all. So stay tuned if we get everything moving. Y'all, it's a nighttime video because I just got home from driving the Viper and testing her, and she is good to go. No more smoking on my turbos. She's running everything good. So now we are going to take her for a car wash because she obviously needs a nice little wash to wash her up because she's dirty. But man, I'm grateful to be able to have her, man. So at this point in time, I'm ending this video. Always tell y'all thank you for watching. Always thank y'all for the support. Y'all be good and God bless. What up, y'all? It's your boy Jay Cruz, aka known as the AudioCat. I want to thank you guys for watching. First of all, always thank you guys for the support. Let me get my face in here. I want to thank you guys for the support you guys giving this channel, man. Do not forget to share, like, and subscribe on our road to 20K, man. It is a beautiful blessing to have you guys supporting this channel, man. So I'm very grateful for that. And as you can tell on this side, the audio snake is back out again, y'all. She is here and she is running again. So get at me, dog. But we're gonna start the day today. We get pulled into the shop, man. We have a customer who called me the other day. He had a unit installed. I guess his wife, we'll have him explain the story, but his wife, he went and got something installed. In fact, let's go put him on blast real quick, man. What's your name?
Bobo, man.
Who?
Bobo.
Bobo. Because Bobo decided to betray AUDIOZONE and go to another shop to get his CompuStart installed. And now he has a couple of problems. Let's see what they are. Tell him what your problems are.
Well, to introduce the situation, they could have done more to give me a better sense of security. They didn't hook up the alarm to the actual, they didn't hook up the horn to the actual alarm to give me the siren and the alarm. And they failed to put the kill switch on because they said they did not have a diagram for the unicorn, quote unquote. So they had to do what they could do, and definitely a kill switch.
But they didn't do enough.
Hell no.
All right, well, let me introduce you to the unicorn, man. And why you call it a unicorn? Because they are rare. They are very, very rare. Super Sport Chevrolet, man. It's a gorgeous car. I'm gonna get to the back of the guide, but man, for you guys that do not know, GM came out with this platform. It is a Super Sport. This is a 6.0 or 6.2?
6.2.
6.2 liter V8. LS3 engine in here, and he's still slow compared to the Dodges. Nah.
No comment. No comment.
Nah. But you know what? That's not even what's important. What's important is getting her secured, man, because unfortunately you do have a 6.2 liter. They are stolen a lot, so we got to get that going in for him. So I'm gonna open the shop, get the guys to move the cars out of the bay, get them in the shop, get them situated, get this car secured, man, so we can get him a peace of mind that he deserves. Even if he wants to blame his wifey for not coming to the shop, don't say. I'm gonna share this link to her. Blame her. Go ahead.
I love her anyway.
You love her anyway.
That's what we're gonna end it.
We're gonna end it with that right there, man. We got a guy coming in here opening the door. You want the keys? Here you go, brother. Look, open up the shop today.
I thought it was open, dog.
No. The keys are yours today. What I want you to do is we're gonna keep all the money we make, and you're gonna pay all the bills from today. That could deal?
Do that.
What you got going on with the Durango?
It's getting a remote car starter.
Remote start on her. Okay, awesome. We're gonna get this one situated today and get him going on the Durango because he does on a Mopar, and unfortunately you do need the security, y'all. So let me open the doors, let me get inside. I'll be back with you in about 5 Puerto Rican seconds. What up, y'all? It's your boy Jay Cruz, aka AUDIOZONE, here with another day, another video. I want to thank you guys for the support you guys are giving this channel, man. We got Mr. Paul's car back into the shop today because he wanted to try something different. So we got a new grill area that's gonna come up front, and instead of painting the whole thing gold, we're actually gonna paint the stripes gold going down to it to make it look like it's coming down in a complete vertical look there. And Josh has a fun fact for us today. So every morning, whenever I turn this camera, I'm gonna have Josh give us a fun fact. So what is your fun fact?
So the Volkswagen Beetle was actually created and directly because of Adolf Hitler.
It was because of Hitler. Do you know why?
Because he needed a affordable vehicle for the people to drive around.
No.
Was that?
No, it was actually a car that would run in the desert with no water for him to be able to have a tax. That's why they run with no water. And he designed that car, with no water for the military. That was actually the first built for military use only. It would run on water. It was economical on gas. It could run and do what it had to do. That's where the doom buggies and all that came from. It's from that concept. So yeah, that is a fun fact. It was done by Adolf Hitler back in Germany when he was doing the, obviously when he was in power, but that was the design of the Volkswagen Beetle. So fun fact for today, there you go, coming to you from Joshua Cruel. What is your Instagram?
Cruel1.
Cruel, so CRULL?
1.
The number 1, and no underscores or nothing like that? You don't even know, but anyway, y'all, back to the basic. We got this car in here today. We have a wide body here that we're building on. Hopefully get this car out of here shortly for Charles. Dealing with a couple of dilemmas on this build, but they should have this out shortly. And you could tell it's not double-sided tape. We actually use adhesion to get that doing. We have the Novocaine, which I'm probably gonna be working on today. And I found out that Gordo scratched my car and he didn't tell me nothing about it. But the cameras do not lie. Yeah, so Gordo ran by my car, he scratched it, he went back and checked it, he didn't say nothing. So when he gets it today, me and him are gonna talk because he should have told me something about it. Now I'm gonna get on his ass because he didn't tell me nothing about it. And that goes to anything in the shop. If you're working on something, you damage something, just say it and we can figure it out, y'all. But let me get to the front of the shop, see what the day's going on. Go talk to the wifey, see what she's got going on today. Let's see. You can turn on the copyright right now. Alrighty. Then we got Miss AUDIOZONE. Yes, there I am on TV right there. We got my doggy here, Mr. King Boys. Well, he was my doggy, but yeah, he's my doggy. He's my doggy, he's your doggy, Eddie. He's my dog.
Take care of it.
Huh?
I just help you take care of it.
Oh, okay. But yeah, let me get to the store. We're in here now. Let me get everything situated and organized so we can figure out what's going to go on for the day. Stay tuned. All right, Cruise Crew, so let me go give you an update. The tech just came and gave me an update of what's going on with Paul's car. Let me show you what it is so you guys understand exactly what's going on. Can't show you what's behind me there because that's a specialty thing, but I am going to flip the camera and show you what's going on here. So at this point in time, we've taken off the bumper. Well, I say we because we're a team, but this is pretty much what we're dealing with. So on this build, we had these stripes that come here. So he wants it to be where the new grill, which he already got it there, mocked up and ready to go, will be installed. You sure it doesn't go the other way around? Got the angle?
They're both the same angle.
Uh-oh.
Yeah.
Okay. So yeah, he's got it here mocked up, and now he's gonna go and paint that in the gold to make it happen. So I'm gonna let Josh do his thing as we get this rolling and get it situated. I'm very excited to see what it can look like at the end, but we got the best techs in the country, man. Josh, Adolfo, Isaac, man. Josh, Adolfo, Isaac, great tech. Plus, you know, we do what we have to do, y'all. So at this point in time, the team is gonna get this going and get this car out shortly. While we got the wide body king himself, Mr. Adolfo, working on this wide body for Mr. Charles. Wide body queen. Okay, because they called you a queen today. What do you think about that, Gordo?
That's how we doing it today, Josh?
Huh?
That's how we doing today?
I'm not gonna argue with y'all. I'll let y'all do y'all thing, y'all. But the team's gonna get that going, and meanwhile that going on, I'm gonna try to play with Isaac on the Nova, see if I get the Nova turned on and get her out of here. Because we need the room, and it's really taking up my space, y'all. So stay tuned. All right, Cruise Crew. So on Paul's car, let me give y'all an update today. On Paul's car, this was already getting buttoned up, as y'all can tell. Wide body kit on. I'll give you a reveal on that one. But the idea that Paul had and wanted to get accomplished, that's what it looks like, y'all. But now it looks like the stripes come completely down, and that is what he wanted to get done, and that is accomplished. So now we're fixing a wheel that he has, and this should be ready to go, y'all. So stay tuned if we get this car out of the door.